what would be the best way for a startup, say they're in a similar position like you, looking to get their content marketing and especially their blog strategy started from the ground up?
I think that you need two things. You have to look internally. So what are we solving? What are we doing? What is our product capable of doing? And then looking externally and find that kind of common ground. What are people interested in? So what makes sense for us to cover based on who we are as a company, and then how that matches up to the interests of the people that we're targeting. And I think one really important thing for people to do is look at what are the jobs and the pain points of the people that they're writing to. I know a lot of people go into, what's the age of the people? Where do they live? Do they drink coffee or do they drink juice? But that's not really what's important. It's important for you to see who they are in their professional surroundings, what they're tackling every day, where they're reading up on those bits and pieces of information. So you can be right there where they're looking for information. And one thing that was for me super valuable was just going through like book reviews of books that are super popular in that industry, looking at streams from conferences or just small bits of information that people would be sharing in short clips or short videos. And that's really made our content marketing strategy more tailored to that niche because we would just put in that little bit more effort. So that's usually what I advise other companies to do. Try to look through social media, through reviews of books, to the most popular content creators. What are they writing about? What is your audience already engaging with? And then you can try kind of see where you match up with that. And all of those resources are kind of up for grabs. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to spend hours and hours doing it. You just have to put in that bit of effort, not just go straight into writing, but learn a bit before so you can see what is actually the value that you can provide.